Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos, give a thumbs up, and please leave an awesome comment. Now today, we got a great one for you. We are going to be doing a rotisserie pork loin in the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. This is gonna be absolutely super simple and delicious. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so this is what we got today. Now we have, it's a pork loin. Now what I have here is actually a 1-pound pork loin, but if you have a bigger one, a 2-pound or maybe a 3-pound or whatever, it's gonna be the same guidelines as far as cooking temperature and all that stuff goes. It might just take a little longer to get it done. So we got a 1-pounder today, perfect size for me. Anyway, let's make sure you get that in there. All right, so this comes with, the Power Air Pro comes with this attachment here. It's a spit. You got your loin here. Go ahead and put one of these on one end, and then I'll show you how to do the other. So go ahead and take this and go ahead and you're gonna want to just work it right through the middle of this thing until, oop, there you go, until it comes out the other side, just like that. And then go ahead and push that into the to the tongs on this side, and on this. Super easy, you got a screw here. Go ahead and loosen that so you can get it on the other side to secure the meat. Push that in just like that. And I'll just loosen the screw a little more. And it goes right in there like that. Super easy. And loosen the screw. There we go. And so let me get that action, get that tongue in there. There we go. All right, and then just go ahead and tighten the screw down and you're good to go. So your pork loin is on the spit, super easy. So let's go ahead and season this thing up. All right, so let's get the seasoning now. When I took it out of the bag, I just rinsed it off in some cold water, patted it dry just a little bit. And yeah, so what we're gonna use today is this rub, Famous Dave's. Now you can use anything that you want. Salt and pepper, rosemary, thyme, garlic, anything that you want. But today, this is what we're using. So let's go ahead and with this, get it seasoned up. All right, so we've got the whole thing seasoned up, and what I'm gonna do is go ahead and let this sit out here on the cutting board for probably about 10 minutes, and then we'll get it in the air fryer, super easy. See you in a minute. Okay, so we're at the air fryer. I've been letting this sit out for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and slide this right on our rails right here, and put it in, and then go ahead and push it back till it locks in on the right-hand side, and then this red button right here, click it, it'll open that little black button in the back, close it, and you're secure. So it's in there. Let's go ahead and close this thing up. And what we're gonna do here is turn it on. We're going up to 400 degrees. Let me get you up there a little bit. There we go. And then we're gonna actually hit the rotisserie button. And we're actually gonna give this 20 minutes and check the temperature. So as you can see, this thing is rotating, and we're gonna have some rotisserie soon. We'll check you in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been a full 20 minutes, and as you can see, it says off here. So we're gonna open this thing up. 20 minutes in, it's looking and smelling amazing. So we're actually just gonna take an internal temperature reading. I got my Insta-Read here. Okay, so right now we're looking right around, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says it was 117 is what we're at. So what we're gonna do is close this thing up. We are going to go back on 400 degrees, rotisserie, and we're gonna give it 15 minutes, and I'm gonna check it probably after about 10 minutes or so. So rotisserie, 400, and we're spinning. All right, so I'll check it and I'll let you know what's going on. Okay, so it's been another 10 minutes. As you can see, there's 5 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and take the temperature. See where we're at, and oh man, that thing looks amazing. I'm gonna grab this so I don't move around here, see where we're at. Put that on. 145. Oh yeah, we are good to go. We're getting anywhere from 145 to 155 on the end right here. So we're gonna pull it off. We'll meet you at the cutting board. Oh yeah, and to pull this thing off, sorry, as a tool here, just put it right under there, hit that red button, and it pulls right out. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Yes, let's go to the cutting board now. Okay, so we got our pork loin out. The spit and everything is still in it. So I just put it on this tin foil as a cutting board. What we're gonna do is give this a light wrap. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just cover this thing up, just like this. Pinch the ends, just like that. Just a loose wrap, not tight. We're gonna let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna come back and cut it up for you. See you in a minute. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 20 minutes. I'm in a loose wrap. So it looks absolutely amazing and it smells awesome. There's juices and stuff everywhere. So what you're going to want to do here is go ahead, and it's still a little hot, but unscrew one of the sides here. Take this spit off right here, and then we'll get on the cutting board and cut it up for you. Okay, so here's the pork loin. It turned out absolutely amazing. I mean, perfectly cooked. Once I was a little more done, about 155 or so on this side, and then I got 145 over here. But you know what? We're going to cut into it, and we're going to see, you know, how juicy this is. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Well, the juices are coming out, that's for sure. Let's see if we can get you a closer look. Oh, the juices are dripping, and it is absolutely cooked perfect. I gotta try some. Oh yeah, look at that. Just comes right apart. That is tender, juicy, delicious. I'm gonna bring it right back up top. All right, we are finished with the cook, and as you've seen, that thing was absolutely amazing. Let me get some of this, we'll get the whole loin over here for you. Just look at that. It's just perfectly cooked. It's juicy. The pieces that we cut, I mean, look at that. Just, it literally just falls right apart. Just easy. That is delicious. All right, so that's how you do a rotisserie pork loin on the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Now remember, you always want to cook to temperature, not time. And you know, I got this done in, it was about 20, or actually 30 minutes, completely done, perfectly cooked. You know, this is a 1-pounder. If you're going, you know, for a 2 or 3-pounder or whatever, you know, it's going to take a little longer, but you want to shoot for that internal temperature of 145 degrees to get that perfectly awesome, juicy, tender pork loin. Now, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Hit the bell for notifications so you can get all my future videos. Make sure to give 2 thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this. Oh yeah, one last thing, real quick. If you want the famous Dave stuff, you can buy that in your local grocery stores. But anyway, yeah, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.